Warning, a brand new AI video engine is replacing editors, scriptwriters, and expensive video freelancers, and it creates full studio-grade videos from just a single keyword. No filming, no script writing, no technical skills. If you want Hollywood-style videos that take less than 60 seconds to make, keep watching. AI Clips is the fastest AI video creation tool I have tested. You type one idea, and it builds the entire video for you. Script, scenes, voiceover, music, and even SEO-ready titles and tags. I highly recommend grabbing this while it is still a one-time price and before the bonuses expire. My link is in the description and pinned comment. AI Clips is a cloud-based AI software that lets anyone create scroll-stopping 4K cinematic videos in under a minute. It is built for beginners, content creators, YouTube automation channels, affiliate marketers, coaches, agencies, and even local business owners. And the biggest problem it solves is this. Most people cannot make videos because editing is complicated, hiring freelancers is expensive, and writing scripts takes too long. AI Clips removes all of that. You give it a keyword or upload a single image. The AI understands your concept, writes the script, chooses the scenes, adds voice and music, and produces the entire video automatically. If you can type a word, you can make a professional video.
Ryan found a small glowing stone near the old riverbank. Ryan found a small glowing stone near the old riverbank. It pulsed with a soft blue light, almost like it was alive. Curious, he slipped it into his pocket.
Here's a quick look inside the AI Clips dashboard. On the home screen, click Create Video. Step 1. Type your keyword, upload an image, or paste a concept. For this demo, I will type weight loss tips for busy people. Step 2. AI Script Creator automatically writes the full script. Step 3. The cinematic scene builder creates the visuals. It chooses the angles, transitions, pacing, and emotions like a real director. Step 4. Choose a voice style. The built-in AI voiceover generates human-sounding narration that syncs to the visuals. Step 5. AI Music Composer adds background music that matches the mood of each scene. Then just click Export and you are done. Your 4K video is ready to upload to YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok, Facebook, or use as an ad.
Warning, the future of studio-grade AI video creation just got unreal. Because every time you post another average reel, recycled stock clip, or basic Canva slideshow, you're not standing out, you're just blending in. And in today's online world, blending in means disappearing. Let's face it, the internet is drowning in the same boring 1980s style videos, overused stock footage, template-driven graphics, generic motivational videos everyone has scrolled past 1,000 times. And guess what? The algorithm doesn't care. Your audience doesn't care. And your competitors, well, they're happy you look just like everyone else. If you're creating videos like everyone else is doing, you'll keep getting the same dead-end zero or very low engagement levels. Now, imagine what if you could be a part of the never-seen-before AI video revolution, where one prompt turns into a full studio-grade 4K cinematic videos in seconds. Say hi to AI Clips, brand new, ultra-fresh clip-to-cinema AI engine that instantly creates scripts, voiceovers, music, characters, and full video clips from just one prompt. With this by your side, even newbies can create studio-grade 4K AI videos from a single input without drowning in expensive tools, hiring unpredictable freelancers, spending hours learning complicated software.
Front-end AI clips. One-time price around $17 to $27. Perfect to test the software and create your first 10 videos. OTO1 AI clips, max $37. Unlocks unlimited scenes, unlimited exports, and full 4K rendering. Highly recommended for serious creators. OTO2 AI clips Pro Studio Edition, $67. Adds voiceovers, music, descriptions, dialogues, and sound effects. This makes your clips full professional videos. OTO3 AI clips Auto Creator Engine, $97. One click turns any idea into a complete produced video with zero manual steps, ideal for automation and agencies. The rest of the upgrades unlock viral growth tools, templates, done-for-you videos, agency rights, and reseller licenses. Choose the ones that match your goals. When you use the link below, you will get my exclusive bonus bundle designed to help you get traffic, leads, and sales from the videos you create. Bonus 1. Soci Ultima Boost video engagement and get organic traffic from multiple platforms. Bonus 2, Lead Book Generator. Turn your viewers into leads automatically. Bonus 3, WP In Content Pop-Up Pro. Collect emails directly from your video pages. Bonus 4, Conversion Equalizer. Boost your ad conversion rates instantly. Bonus 5, Viral Suite. Turn your AI videos into viral content assets. Bonus 6, Pin Marketer. Tap into Pinterest for untapped buyer traffic. Bonus 7, WP Email Timer, plus add urgency timers to increase conversions. Bonus 8, Clickable Image Bot. Drive targeted traffic from social posts. Bonus 9, Tubelytics Analytics and tools to grow your YouTube channel faster. Bonus 10, Video Affiliate Plugin. Create stunning video review pages that boost affiliate commissions, all delivered instantly after purchase. These bonuses are only for early action takers and will be removed soon. So here is the bottom line. Video content is exploding. Business owners, YouTubers, influencers, and even local shops need videos every single day. AI Clips gives you the power to create unlimited cinematic videos in seconds without hiring editors or spending hours learning. The price increases soon. The bonuses are limited. And once this special launch deal ends, it switches to a monthly subscription. Click the link below right now to lock in the one-time price and secure your exclusive bonus bundle. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this review helped you. Subscribe for more AI software reviews and online income tools. After you purchase AI Clips from the link below, send your receipt ID to the email provided on the bonus page. You will get instant access to all the exclusive bonuses. Click the link below to get AI Clips now before the price goes up. I will see you inside.